Good after evening. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate for you how you can create 2D decals in Unreal to be applied on a 3D asset from the Quixel library. Both the decals and the 3D assets in this demonstration are going to be from the Quixel library. Before I continue, I want to thank Sean Foster, whose channel has been super useful for my Unreal education. So I'm going to add a link for his channel in the description. I highly recommend you follow him and subscribe to his channel. First thing I'm going to do is go and click on add Quixel content. Then we have these sections here. We have 3D assets, 3D plans, which is pretty awesome, by the way, surfaces, decals, and then imperfections. So if I go into the 3D assets, I'm going to choose something that is really easy to work with, maybe building. I'll go into, for instance, door. I would browse through and, for instance, let's say I like, let's say this door. Click on it. You can instantly download it, but it's good to click on it because then you can choose the quality that you want. Now, when you download it, it becomes downloaded on your computer, but it doesn't mean that it has been added to your scene. So after you download it and you're happy with it, what you need to do is to click on the add. Now notice here the setup of my project. Once I click on add, it's right there. So let me close this and see what I have. Okay, so I see that I have a door. Hit F, move around with Alt, left mouse button. So I have an awesome 3D asset here. Next step is to apply a decal to it. Go to Add, Quixel Content, and then in this time, I'm going to go into decals. So let's say I'm going to choose just some random decals, maybe some graffiti. So click here. Same thing. I'm gonna click on download. All right, now that's downloaded. Add, and now it should be available in my setup here. So this is the graffiti here, and now what I want to do is to apply it on this object. So click and hold, move. It looks off like that. So what we want to do is to work on rotating it to make it work for the scene. So you change the rotation, you change the scale. Of course, the shortcuts are W for translation, E for rotation, and R for scale. Okay. Right now, it looks fantastic. It's pretty awesome. Working with decals have never been as easy. And a tip I learned also from Sean that is especially useful for decals is when you hit G on the keyboard, go to the game mode and you get to see it without the gizmo that sort of tends to be really annoying in the face. And that's how it's done. I hope you found this video helpful.